Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Sheree, and this is my journey to home ownership. And I wanted to do a video to discuss about what I am potentially going after as far as searching for a home once I do get NACA qualified. And so I just wanted to show you, and this is called the purchase program, and they have different purchase programs that you can offer. And I just wanted to give you guys a glimpse of it as well. And so basically, that they offer below market fixed rates, no down payment, no closing costs, no fees, no mortgage insurance, and no consideration of credit score. However, they do look through your credit. So don't be surprised when they do pull your credit because they are going to look at your credit, right? So this is what, for me, is what I am considering going to. They have, if you are on Section 8 or have a housing advisor, they have a program for Section 8 and housing, but I don't have this. So this won't qualify for me, but for someone else. But this is the program that I want to consider. It's called the $1 Home Ownership Program. And basically, the $1 Home Ownership Program is a unprecedented partnership between NACA and the cities and towns across the nation to create affordable home ownership for low to moderate income home buyers in underserved communities. Community residents can purchase a vacant house or lot from the city for only $1. NACA will provide financing for any necessary repairs or renovations or for new construction through the NACA Best in America mortgage. This the part, new construction, that I want. And so this is a comprehensive neighborhood revalid retaliation program that addresses a myriad of intractable issues in the underserved neighborhoods. Basically, the $1 home ownership program creates a critical mass of home ownership in neighborhoods to achieve this transformation. So you could pretty much purchase a home for $1. The land part of it, and it says the $1 home ownership program is the answer. These government-owned properties are sold to communities residents who wish to revitalize neighborhoods through affordable ownership, occupied home ownership. The program eliminates the developer's significant overhead and profit as properties are directly transferred to a home buyer. NACA and the home buyer work directly with the local contractors to complete the work instead of the developer. All the properties will be affordable for low to moderate income home buyers. Own occupancy is required and includes a 10-year deed restriction and a security lien to prevent a home from being flipped for profit or land trust to preserve affordability and to provide funds for maintaining the community while generating reasonable equity, building generational wealth over time. And this $1 program, $1 home ownership program goes in hand with this NACA's new construction homes. This is what I wanted for. It says NACA homes are primarily modular new constructions that are affordable and beautifully designed with high quality standards built in a controlled factory environment. NACA homes are priced less than half of our other properties with the high quality standards currently being sold on the market. These modular homes are not manufactured homes. They are factory built and far exceeds manufactured homes and HUD code requirements and can be produced on a large scale. The estimated purchase price ranges from $110,000 to $150,000 with a mortgage payment from $750 to $1,100 depending on the property structure. Currently, NACA below market interest rates, land cost, site preparation, location, and transportation. The variety of NACA home designs would blend in with the existing communities, including porches, multi-story houses, garages, etc. They have a catalog of properties that you can look through that's You can select which one you want. And these homes utilize innovative materials and building techniques such as modular, panelized, and other building types that are able to stand up to severe weather conditions and are tornado and hurricane resistant, far exceeding the HUD and applicable state building code standards. The NACA home can be built from process, a lot purchased through the $1 program. See right there it says can be built from the lot purchased through the $1 program or a lot owned or purchased by a home buyer. The mortgage payment will likely be lower than the rent and even more affordable with government assistance. So these two go hand in hand. It says here you can purchase it through the $1 program. So this is what I want to do. And let me see if it will show you. These are the houses that they build. Whole lot of them. You can select whichever one you want. They give you the blueprint of how it would look and tell you how many houses it is, and vice versa. So you can pick and choose which one you may like. You look at them. This is a 3 bedroom. It's 2 bath. This is another 3 bedroom, 2 bath. See, these different houses that you can have built, and you can add on to them. You can add a garage if you want, a porch if you want. This is a 4 bedroom, 2 bath. Another 3 bedroom, 2 bath. So they just look at them. So this is what I am going to ask when I go to the NACA Achieve Your Dream event. I'm gonna ask my counsel about this. This is the program that I eventually want. They have 2 stories as well. I don't really like how the 2 stories are shaped. Got this one more city, like New Yorkish neighborhoods, I guess, that wants a house built like this. I don't like it looks tiny. It could be bigger, but for me, if I was to get a 2 story, I think it'll be this one. This is probably like the only one that look like I would do. That's just me, cause I'd rather have either this one if it's 2 story, but the other one I'd rather just get a single story. Okay. And I just wanted to show you guys what I was thinking about. It's just the option. I could use the $1 plus the new construction and try to achieve this. So I'm gonna ask more questions about it. But yeah, they do have this program where they can build the house. And I think this will probably eliminate me going to searching for houses, getting going to neighborhood, trying to pick a house and closing costs, sellers costs, so, all the different stuff that you gotta go through. Well, I don't have to go through that trying to see if the seller's gonna, bid on this house or worry about people outbidding you and all of that when I could just pretty much have my own house built and eliminate some of those steps. So yeah, I just thought I'd share and you guys could look at it more. Just go on the NACA website. You could pull it up and you'll see this information as well. All right. Well, again, thank you guys for watching my channel. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you do, just please like and subscribe. Until next time, have a good day.